Purpose of handwriting examination. Examination in handwriting identification analysis usually has the following purpose. We have four. Number 1 is writing is usually denied. 2. Therefore, the examination job is to find out whether it is a genuine or forgery. 3. Determine whether or not writing in dispute is that of the suspected author. 4. A question of the authorship is the problem intended for the examiner to solve. This arises when the writing disguised to hide the true identity of the author or when the author is different from a suspect author. How does handwriting analysis work? Each person has unique handwriting just like a fingerprint and represent individual characteristics. Some people may share a few similar writing characteristics, but the likelihood of the same handwriting is rare or even impossible. According to the handwriting analysis, the similarities in handwriting could be result of a characteristic during handwriting lesson in school. However, the uniqueness of an individual styles of writing does not entirely rule out case of a similar handwriting. In some cases, handwriting by a different people can be appear similar. It can be difficult to tell the difference. Some people can be imitate other individual writing. The aim for foregoing documents as a result, unsuspecting person can close their money in a different scenarios thought foreigns of the signatures. Purpose of handwriting analysis. Handwriting analysis is a falls under the section of forensic science where an expert examines question documents. Handwriting analysis expert. Handwriting analysis is a science that is based on the notion that no one people can produce the same handwriting. The primary purpose of handwriting analysis is to look the difference between two writing samples where the writer is known and is an unknown. Another example. A QD does not begin by the looking for a similarities but searches for a difference in the document. A QCD mainly looks three things, namely letter form, line form, and formatting to fish out any forgery. Number 1, letter form. Letter form involves elements like slant, curves, comparable size of a letters, wide, tall, short letters, slope, and appearance of connecting lines. Number 2 is line form. Line form is a consists of a smooth or dark lines which indicated the speed of the writing and the procedures applied by the author. These factors help the document examiners to analyze elements like a consistency determine the original writer. Number 3, formatting. Formatting includes the spacing between the letters and words, the placement of the words, and in existence as will go the space of the writer leaves on the margins. It also involves the spacing between lines. The stroke lines and have similarities. Challenge of simulation. Challenge of simulation. The primary change in the handwriting analysis relates to the simulation, which is attempt to copy or disguise another person's handwriting handwriting in a origin in an original document. The writer writes all letters naturally and quick without giving a second thought. Simulation helps to determine the inaccuracy of handwriting since the consists of the human errors.